Hello, friends. If you've ever felt like you are constantly striving and struggling to achieve your goals, this video is for you. We're here to shift your perspective from a mindset of striving to one of relaxation, where you can effortlessly attract and manifest your desires. In this video, we'll explore the idea that your desires already exist and how you can claim what is already completed. We'll also delve into the concept that beliefs shape your reality and how you can choose what you believe to be true. Additionally, we'll discuss the medium of imagination and how it plays a crucial role in creating your reality. We'll also guide you on stepping into the state of having your desires and manifesting them through the power of your imagination. So, if you're ready to tap into the incredible power within you and start manifesting your dreams, keep watching. The power of imagination and belief is crucial when it comes to manifesting your desires. It requires a shift in mindset from striving and effort to relaxation and understanding. Instead of seeing your desires as distant goals, it is important to realize that they can be achieved in the present moment. Friends, understanding the concept of it's already done is crucial when it comes to manifesting your desires. This concept is based on the belief that all possibilities already exist and are waiting for you to claim them. When we say that creation is finished, we mean that whatever you can imagine, whether it's a scenario, a situation, a plan, or an inanimate object, already exists. The fact that you can imagine it is proof that it exists in some form or another. This understanding can greatly improve your faith in manifesting because it shows that what you desire is not something out of reach, but something that already exists and is simply waiting for you to align with it. What matters in the manifestation process is what you believe to be true. Your beliefs shape your reality. So if you believe that your desire is already completed and waiting for you, you are more likely to manifest it into your life. This is why it is important to cultivate a strong belief in the completion of your desires. Your imagination is a powerful tool that can help you create the life you desire. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, it's important to shift your focus to what it feels like to already have your desires. By visualizing and imagining your desired reality as vividly as possible, you can begin to manifest it into your life. Your imagination serves as the medium through which you can manifest your dreams and goals. It allows you to create a clear vision of what you want to bring into your life. By practicing daily visualization and affirmations, you can strengthen your imagination and align it with your desires. It's important to trust in the power of your imagination and believe in the reality you want to create. As you imagine and believe in the fulfillment of your dreams, you can start to take inspired action towards manifesting them. Surround yourself with stimulating images that remind you of your desires and share your aspirations with others who support and encourage you. Remember, there are no boundaries for your dreams. Your imagination has the ability to transcend limitations and bring forth infinite possibilities. By assuming that you are already what you desire and living as if it is already true, you align yourself with the energy of manifestation. Belief and faith are also key components in the manifestation process. When you truly believe in the possibility of your desires coming true, you send a powerful message to the universe and open yourself up to receiving what you desire. Having faith in the process and trusting that everything is working out for your highest good can greatly enhance your manifestation results. To strengthen your belief in the completion of your desires, it can be helpful to surround yourself with stimulating images that represent your desires. This could be creating vision boards, using affirmations, or visualizing your desired outcome in vivid detail. Sharing your desires with others and speaking about them as if they have already manifested can also help solidify your belief in their completion. It's crucial to recognize that beliefs are not necessarily based on objective truth. Instead, they are formed based on our individual. This means that what we believe to be true may not be the same for someone else. Our beliefs are powerful because they shape our thoughts, emotions, and actions, ultimately influencing the outcomes we attract into our lives. The good news is that we have the power to change our beliefs. We can choose new beliefs that support the reality we desire to create. However, this requires conscious effort and consistent practice. Our beliefs can be reinforced through repetition and consistent focus. By consciously cultivating beliefs that serve us and align with our desired reality, we can start shifting our mindset and attracting the experiences we truly desire. One powerful belief to adopt is the understanding that all states, including the state where our desires already exist, are already present in the human imagination. By choosing to believe in the existence of our desires in the human imagination, we can shift our mindset and align ourselves with the state where our desires already exist. This belief empowers us to step into that state and manifest our desires into our physical reality. Cultivating relaxation and belief in the manifestation process can be achieved through various techniques. One approach is to practice relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. This helps to quiet the mind, release stress, and create a state of calmness and receptivity. Affirmations and positive self-talk can also be powerful tools in shifting your mindset and reinforcing your belief in the manifestation of your desires. Relaxation is closely connected to attracting abundance into your life. When you are in a relaxed state, you are more open to receiving and allowing abundance to flow into your life. By letting go of resistance and trusting in the process, you create space for abundance to manifest. Adopting a mindset of relaxation and belief can lead to personal growth and transformation. It allows you to let go of limiting beliefs and expand your possibilities. By embracing the power of imagination and belief, you can shape your reality and manifest the life you desire. As we conclude this video on manifesting your desires through the power of imagination and belief, we hope that you have gained a deeper understanding of the incredible potential within you. By shifting from a mindset of striving to relaxation, you can tap into the power of claiming what is already completed and choosing empowering beliefs that shape your reality. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. We would love to have you as part of our community. We also encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. We value your input and would love to hear your manifestation stories. As you continue on your manifestation journey, we send you our best wishes and God's blessing. May you manifest everything your heart desires. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and remember, the power is within you.